Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial once again, and then I still remain Nadiola of Dandy Fashion School. Don't forget we're into fashion designs and bag making, but this channel is purposely, as I will always say, it's purposely for bag tutorial. So please, if you're a first time viewers, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like as well. People get to ask me this question: Dandy, is it ready made? Dandy, is it something I can fix, or is it something I will get at the market the way it is, Just calm yourself down. It's something you can fix yourself. Yeah, something you can fix yourself. The steps involved is as simple as ABC, something you can fix yourself with one or two guidelines, then you are good to go. So today I want to show you how leather gets in between chain, just like how water gets into the coconut. Let's get started. So what I did here was to cut pieces of material, about 4 to 5 pieces of material, depending on the length of chain you are working with. Do you understand? So I cut about 4 to 5 pieces of leather material, and for the width of the leather material is about 1/4 inch, so it mustn't, sometimes it depends on the chain, the size chain you are working with. So sometimes it might not up to 1/4 of an inch, and sometimes it might be 1/4 of an inch. Like I said, it all depends on the size of the chain you are working with. So starting from here, what you need to do is to you fix it into the chain. You take it out from one part, you put it inside another part, you take it out from one part, you put it into another part. That is the way you are going to do all the process. I believe you've been following carefully and you've been watching closely every part of this video. So now we've gotten to the last phase of this fixing. So what you need to do now is the last phase of it. You'll be joining the chain together on both sides. You'll be joining the chain together, and then you'll be gluing the leather. So you just have to cut it short and then glue both leather together. please watch closely, you get it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I appreciate you a lot. Even though you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. So thank you so much for coming by. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.